Hello, 101.5 FM.
Prof Kwame MP for Manson Kwanta constituency. Na yembisa say the issue of the missing excavators. Dear no unimfa ho. If say galamsey ntokwai, one also edi anime kubi. Prof Machin.
Aminia mejo so.
Na mpacho boko.
Nyame adom.
Excavators be 500. Yes, trackers crash senses so. Wawa Jinimu, why the fight against Galamsey Ache, what shall say on your personal, note and sana buying crown, adding a fight neighbor. 500 excavators, you won't bet me you.
Minia, I did come a mentia Fantamine, Namentia, Manson Quanta constituency, Miami constituency for. And Minia, as some way, dear, a idea be a train yasu. The sun said excavator intimate fly, intimate yashe. Inti se ekobase, yes, excavators 500 ayatu, motrackers, ayera. Then, of course, baby cry a packing on those who plan almost those who plan, or man cassa, and making sure, say, sir, or my custody of these machines. Now, I said, I buy. Ebusaomo ehwasem ebusaomo wasem na so muguna de mra na se fa no sa pepe na se mra na omudi
Prof minim say Galamsey yete eho tax force enti ene yekubisa minister of lands and say yekubisa tax force for
minim say lands and natural resources minister a part of the committee, but the committee is being chaired by Professor from Paul Watson, who is the environment minister.
Prof, you say, sir, if you are na the Bruni back friend tracker, na do na tracker sisi so baby, a could be ultimate tracker, a cool baby or feed in the wall. Anya the tracking system, no intimate way, MIA who baby potia over 500 excavators here. If you say, Semekaya. Emra yede hihye ya na yede ko atia Galamsey no because ye kan say ye gi ana esizi machine bi a police for nsem no say ko
minia me kan bi initially ne say say enkofu bi ana a group of people bi o ha sa excavators na show monsa ene ye missing they have to almost some accountable. Yet, let me give you a clue. Some district assemblies we are almost corners, almost arrest here. Almost the machines they see district assemblies. They claim sending in a BIA, and you say it being some from district assemblies a concrete. In kind of choir, baby, question. Why am I someone say? Because Yantias, you say, car bibia ya na number bi that be any idea I forgotten
the chassis number
good sana machines room now chassis number, so it is based on the chassis number and our then incorporated the tracker no aye they make what was it is say ekobase yes aye na kwa there should be a commission of inquiry into this. So that then we do one kasa a farm on some a year. Ghana for between nobody. And I saw by between nobody.
Prof, after 3 years, Yeni Galamsey for the Atintama, Obeka say, ye didn't put him our moso. Ye jababi jina. And as a sena near Mathieu.
Mimia, so Galamsey fight now. In two-fold. The first one, no, the Obacas intermysteria and no normal working on it. Say, or more better think of phobia or more Galamsey. Making sure such people, no, they will deal and prosecute some of them. And at the other part, a minerals commission. How you make sure you the good policies, Weber. Na impo omo ye Galamsey no yebetimi aboa omamo monyansase e de aye adwuma na omakomani on my part no I would say I can speak for that of Minerals Commission, but that of the interministerial idea, it will be difficult for me because we need much knowledge about the
But when you're a member of parliament of an area, now you're very much affected by Galamsey.
Exactly.
Osai Eyubia, Mekai some about 8-7 years ago. One casa on your own. Now fighting against the menace. It is a conform. Yes, you are now Comoseno and Ghana Water Company in the Omoka. Intimacy a conform you should be in a position to know.
When we say a conform, I say, you asked of Sana dealing with that issue.
You see, a conform, I say, Jababy now.
I mean, it depends on the angle that you are looking at. One, when you look at the policies of government at the Yaba to arrest this situation, you think that a fine policy are a boa Emma security agencies be making sure say Omo Galamsey those things and come do a move the big go. Nanka Minerals Commission after see enough lands. These Galamseyers no between the aye be a friend of proper mining. For instance, we all know for sure say Oko interministerial partner almost initiative be a almost friend of community mining. It became difficult because before all the assassination community mining to solve this problem, the land must be free from encumbrance. Now let's look at a scenario of my constituency alone. Obahonma and Sasio constituency we now 7 big lifestyle company or my friend. So in this case, no, it's so difficult. So okaso we have community miner So but going forward, no, God is so good. 7 mining companies in Omo, and that means that you bet me I gather some of them. I'm about a small scale. And a classical example, enemy club on Siena concession, where I may gazette and a small scale. Sana baby say is say a swing, Eba Mosia Sunan, ye gazette, that is what is going to help for the dream of so yes, Galamsino, or we know a bit much more Mamma Baby a small scale. As at now, currently, 5,000 kilometers square of land has been allocated. Say, one more yet Galamsey, no one died, no one economical started processes. Some by yet no one and Sassy, all between the proper mining instead of Galamsey. Now, you're not about one hard and say, Yenian Momoya Galamsey, no, a pen quick instead of the farmer council because, oh, yeah, processes now. You need about 90 days. 90 working days, and for the between let's say 4 to 5 months. And some on set Macau Krata, Ubet proper miner, police and now say Operation Vanguard who say Galamstop in the house. Now, when you are dear woman, hard drink, mother fight against Galamsey, I am very bad, especially when you take many concerns as a case study, and they say, Ubehuno. Security agencies will bring. You may hear of Galamstop, you may hear of Operation Vanguard, you may hear of even Krano, security agencies, yes, national security, you may hear of police, you may hear of what do you call it? Security agencies with a task force, you almost cast rabbits and 6 as a say, no more so. Omuna could is Galamseyers, no so. Yet you don't see say arrested or more. No more as no more Juma air cost. Quite recently, there were come.
Hello, Prof.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, Prof. You for Anusimai.
And you know, Minia, there should not say government should look into the security agencies. No, almost Galamsey for no. So yeah, I'm making sure say the right people ever normal could deal with them. Again, I was still making sure say more land said you are provided available. Young call for no mega and said by my brain say on check and sassam. Because who could be a friend could think our will be 102 kilometers of land square kilometers. Minia, Ubia, and your natural class, or Kwako, a year from papers. No, they are small scale. The whole thing I say, or 4 things say, I'm saying it, say no, but nothing. The all service right, reference to Kukuni, one in a Casavia, no rest in fear, and no one. But Yantias, yes, say, gold or Assassin Article 257 stipulated say is for the state. And a buying air shadow at the Yama Nananum. It's no Nananum, a bassa, and your modia, or modia, say, you bet your royalties, you fit the administrator of school land, you bet your royalties are coho. Nehono, the assassin, and Diano, Wako,
okay. Prof. You better see, Yami Shaw, no woman, no pay when you're my hello FM. Prof. Kwam, MP Manso, and Quanta.
Hello, 101.5 FM.